Welcome the our channel. Today we how to budget with Newmark Knight Frank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Newmark Knight Frank, gather all necessary financial documents. This includes your income statements, expenditure reports, and any relevant financial goals. Open the Newmark Knight Frank budgeting tool on their website. Create an account if you haven't already, or log in to your existing account. Begin by inputting your total income for the budgeting period. This should encompass all sources of income, including salaries, bonuses, and any passive income. Next, input your fixed expenses. These are costs that do not change month to month, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance. Now, move on to variable expenses. These can fluctuate and include groceries, dining out, entertainment, and personal care. Allocate a portion of your budget to savings or investments. This should ideally be a percentage of your income. After entering all your expenses, the tool will automatically calculate your total spending. Review the summary to identify any discrepancies between your income and expenses. If expenses exceed income, consider areas to reduce variable spending. Adjust your budget by reallocating funds where necessary. Save your budget once you are satisfied with the allocations. With your budget in place, regularly update it with any new income or expenses. Monitor your progress throughout the month to ensure you're staying on track. Finally, revisit and revise your budget periodically based on changing financial situations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.